गेट वैक्सीनेटेड ASAP, बिकॉज कल से 18 साल से एंड 18 साल एंड अबव का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है फ्रॉम टुनाइट in that side, government side. You can get it done. Means health professionals may get the vaccines easily been done by showing their registration number and something. And the third thing is wear the mask and follow all the WHO protocols to stay safe, and do not suffer from any mucus, or nest the mucus in your nose and in your mouth and your head, or don't nest any mucus. If you are feeling like coughing multiple times, if you are feeling like having running nose, lethargy, weakness, or any kind of weak symptoms, which may tend to be any sort of viral or any kind of weakness things, do not delay, do not rethink. At least as a prelim, take azithromycin first thing. Okay, because once, if the mucus is there, if the mucus goes and nest inside, it gets converted into pneumonia. Today only we have lost one of the very very dashing and a very outspoken, outrageous, and a very 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 good news reader. His name was Rohit Sardana, may his soul rest into peace. He was merely 42 to 44, I guess, not even that. So he was very young and energetic guy. He died owing to pneumonia and cardiac arrest, and the reason was RT-PCR was negative. So he was COVID negative. Basically he was COVID positive preliminarily, and then since the RT-PCR was negative, so the viral was no more viral. It became pneumatic, means it became pneumonia. Okay, which is due to streptococcus pneumoniae, staphylococcus, streptococcus pneumoniae. So that bacterial treatment was due for him, and it wasn't being done for him. He became hypoxic, and then cardiac arrest, and then brain dead, and he died. So this should not happen. अगर थोड़ा भी mucus है, get at least the basic antibiotic been taken by you. You can take doxycycline also, 100 mg, because whether COVID positive, mild, moderate or severe, everybody has been dispensed by doxycycline, and azithromycin also if you wish, like. Okay, so at least for the time being you're actually okay, you're killing the bacteria. Okay, don't wait for the doctor, because everywhere whoever maybe this is a basic line of drug which has been given. Okay, so why to wait for anybody else? Have it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me. This video was very long, this vlog was really very long, but I really wanted to share few of my experiences which I really felt worthy sharing to all you guys. Thank you so much. Signing off. Bye bye.